Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I wanted to pop on and talk a little bit more about PCOS and the other top 5 issues that can pop up with PCOS. Last video I talked about the different types of PCOS that there are. Mainly, you can have issues with cysts. You can have PCOS without really big cysts. Yes, it's a thing. You can have increased testosterone. You can have regular testosterone. You can have insulin resistance with it, right? You can have regular cycles or irregular cycles. That seems like a lot of different things. I know, right? All these different types of things happen with PCOS, which is why so many women struggle for so long before they realize, oh crap, I think it's PCOS. Or even get diagnosed with it. One of the things that we work on and that we do, again, is Dutch test. This is a dried urine test that gets shipped right to your house where we get to see exactly what your hormones are doing and what type of PCOS it would be for you. Super fun. If you are interested more in learning about Dutch, learning about working more in a one-on-one setting, I'm going to put a link right there in the comments for you to check out because this is something that can be really frustrating, that you can be on a journey for a really long time and feel like you're not getting any answers on. So that's why I do these videos. That's why I do this education. I think it's really important for women to understand what their system's going through and the fact that, yeah, this is a thing to feel so frustrated with. Because there's so many different types of things and not everybody is familiar with this, or not everybody understands how this impacts the female body. So, other things that go along with PCOS, other things that you can be struggling with at the same time. What? There's more? Yes, there's more! I know. It's, come on, right? Yes. So here are the top 5 things that I find women struggle with. And I work with women from all over the world. So this is something that women struggle with everywhere. And it's not something that, again, just goes away on its own. That would be so great. Or like you can just like eat more kale to make it, I'm eating super clean, I'm doing all these things. That's really great and that can absolutely help. But if you are not working on actually addressing the upstream issues, right? The hormonal issues that are causing all these other problems, then you're not really going to get to the right results, right? Yes. Yeah. Yes, there's more. I want the Kinsu knives, right? That's funny. Also, yes, I have I have friends that made me a mug with my face on it, my face that I make when I do videos. I can't help it. I can't help the faces that I make. I get so fired up about this stuff that it's just my face. I don't know. Okay, so PCOS issues that arise, or other issues that arise with PCOS that also cause a big problem. Stress and cortisol, right? Does PCOS cause an increase of stress in the body? Yes. Also super fun if you have other stressors in your life. Work stress, relationship stress. Your mug is on your mug. It is. That's super funny. So other things externally can impact your body and actually then increase the stress response and sort of like make your PCOS worse. Yeah, this was it for me. Like when I had horrible cysts on my ovaries, so polycystic ovarian syndrome, that's what PCOS stands for. Stress was the biggest factor that set it off for me. So yeah, so this can cause more stress and stress can cause more cysts. What? I know. Gut issues. And this is super fun. You can have gut issues that are worse at certain times of the month. This is what throws you off so much because oftentimes when you're having a gut issue, you're like, gosh, what did I eat today or yesterday? Versus where am I at in my cycle? How has my digestive system been functioning recently? Is stress impacting the gut bacteria? Yes, it does. And are these things related to foods that are also irritating my system, right? And we're going to talk about that with inflammation too. Muscle building. When your system, right, is struggling to produce the right amount of hormone, your body is also going to struggle to help your muscle tissue repair and build properly. So a lot of women with PCOS will experience the thing of, I'm working out, I'm trying to build muscle, and it's just not happening. I'm not like getting that muscle there. What am I doing wrong? Do I need to lift heavier? Do I need to do these things? we need to work with your body better, right? Your hormones need to be happier so that your system can actually build the muscle, right? So often we're looking for these things out there, right, externally, versus saying, oh, this is not working correctly in here, and working with that. Energy levels. Your energy can really tank. Also very deceiving. There can be certain times of the month where your energy feels fine. And then there's other times where your energy is just terrible. Yeah. That's what's so deceiving about the energy piece with PCOS. I know. It's really frustrating. Last thing here, inflammation. It's like having a small fire all the time, right? And then when your hormones change, when you have more stress, when you have more gut issues, all of a sudden it's like putting gasoline on that fire. And the problems become worse. And the cysts get worse. Pain gets worse. PMS gets worse. Everything gets 10 times worse. Yay. How do we work with that? How do we correct it? Well, first thing is finding out exactly what's going on in your system and making sure that your body has the right plan for it. Because when you have this going on and all these other issues happening, you really need to address the right things at the right time to make sure that everything works in the right direction. Yeah. So that's why we do Dutch tests. It gets sent to your house. Everything else, again, go in the comments. You can learn more about that. Other resources I have for you, if you are wondering about more information and everything else, I have my book, The Female Fat Solution. This is on Amazon. And my book, The Female Menopause Solution, also on Amazon, talking about eating for your hormones and your cycle. I talk about my story in here about how I had cysts. And then my podcast is called The Female Health Solution. And my YouTube channel is called Dr. Beth Westie. All my videos are archived there, so you can subscribe to stay updated on everything that I talk about coming out. And if you have any questions, if you need any more resources, please do not hesitate to let me know. My mission is just to educate women, to get you guys more information so you can make the right decisions for your health moving forward. Oftentimes you don't realize that these things are connected. So really understanding, oh, this is the thing that I need to work on. Okay, yes, that makes sense. Boom, all of a sudden you realize these are the next steps to take for you. So that's really my goal. All right, that's what I got for you guys tonight. Let me know if you have any other questions. Otherwise, I will see you later.